Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your ID, the Lyca Sim, and an unlocked phone. Once done, pick an activation route. Online is fastest, phone support helps if you prefer voice, and a store handles in-person issues. Make sure you know the ICSID printed on the SIM and the mobile number if present. These unlock the process. You'll enter a few personal details and payment info. Moving now to the step-by-step activation will make the connection live. You proceed by following the chosen path precisely. If online, type the ICSID in your details, confirm payment, and accept terms. This ensures your account links to the SIM. If you call, give the ICSID and ID info clearly and ask the agent to confirm activation time. This reduces wait. In a store, watch the staff register the SIM and ask for proof. You learn how settings were applied. Once these steps complete, you'll receive confirmation via SMS or email. You finish by inserting the activated SIM, rebooting the phone, and watching for the network name and signal. Make sure mobile data and correct APN are set. This is why some phones show no internet even after activation. If you see no service, wait 30 to 60 minutes as provisioning can propagate, then retry steps. If issues persist, contact Lyca support with your ICSID and reference number and ask them to reprovision the SIM. That usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.